Whoa, there you are right there. What the heck? Come on in here. Sit yourself down and chill out with me. I'm glad you made it. You're in the best spot in the land, right here in the Texas Rail Dog compound. We call it the Dog Pound. I'm the Texas Rail Dog. You're who you are, and you're probably in a lot of trouble if you landed here. You're either hiding out from somebody or you really are just ain't got too much to do. So that's all right. We're going to give you something to do. We love you, and we want your likes, your shares, your subscriptions. We need them like people need blood in their veins, and we need you to pay attention here. You may just learn something. So in any case, let's get her done. This is the Grand Funk Railroad, Some Kind of Wonderful, 1975. Ah, yes, the year of years. The year that this old boy got his driver's license. So, yeah, this was coming on hard back in them days. That's what's up. Mr. 8-Track, 1975. Fooling Lovely, matchbook in the hand, ready to jam it in the side and keep it from doing that. Let's get her done, man. Come on. We're in a Craig 8-track player. Nice throw, dude. 70s down. Heck yeah. That's what's up. Talking about your baby. Go ahead, bro. Talk about her. Talk about her. That's what's up. She gets her done. All right. Y'all stay toasted, amigos. We'll catch you on the flip-flop. It don't take a whole lot of money or a big fine car.